Step one to hear me comment. Yeah, yeah, so you know, you comment there, you can push in a little bit top side, the push it along there, and put it
So my people, as you see, we're showing you the sign, PEAR River. So that means to say we are in PEAR River, St. Thomas to be exact. He's on self bad dog. But there's a building here where used to be a banana factory. Because you know, you used to have a lot of banana over this side. So I don't know if you people know. It's a banana, great banana plantation over here. So we just go. We don't know much about this building, you know, but without showing it, we showing what left of it. So whosoever know this place and used to visit this place in PEAR River, talk to me down in the comment section. As you can see, there's a old bus there also. But let us walk the building, my viewers. I'll let you know. I'll see where we saw the PEAR River, and this was a banana factory. So whosoever know this place, talk to me down in the comment section. Puppy, puppy, come puppy. You're wily like. Whoa. While we're showing you this place, we have to look good because you know in them bushes I always have a lot of wasps. And we don't want a wasp nest really come mess up the deer right now. So my viewers and subscribers, as I say, I don't know much about this building. So whosoever know about this building, talk to me down in the comment section. So as we walk along and showing it, as I see this is an old bus, century bus. Yeah, this is an old bus. This bus look like it usually carry workers. As can't you see it park up on this compound. Look like it usually carry workers. Anyway, we're going to try to see if we get inside now. Go inside the building. Whoa, be a cobweb. Be a cobweb. There are no roof on top. Take it on a different side, my viewers. So any one of my viewers know PEAR River, ever live in PEAR River, come to PEAR River in St. Thomas. This used to be a factory. We used to employ people. And they see it no longer in use. When it shut down, I don't know. I would like to know. I would like you viewers to talk to me down in the comment section if you know when this place locked up or when it did up and running in action. You understand? There's a next building here also. See one next little building in a bush there. We know that you have to have a machine to go and do some cutting. That look like it would be like the kitchen. All them things there. That is a be. We'll go inside, we still not go inside it, so let us walk and take you inside, my viewers. What do you know about this place?
My grandfather,
Yeah.
my grandfathers, I think my great grandfathers, and my mother come here, come get work.
Okay.
So this... and I get to understand that right here, you have people from different western parishes come right here.
Come get work.
Yeah.
So it uses supply the community good.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Supply the community and
others.
Other parishes and other places.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, even the kaya factory right over there.
So nobody know.
If we go get a chance, we go over there, go show the kaya factory.
True.
So this now, it also, that's how the great house come in place with connection with this as well. Because I get to understand that when people come from that side, from different parishes come here, some of them stay up by the great house.
Okay.
Yes. Then
so can you tell the people where is this place located?
PEAR River, St. Thomas, Eastern St. Thomas at that.
To be exact.
Yes.
Bless up. Why if you drop in this, you condemn?
Yeah, you got to dash for yourself.
Yo. I would really, really love somebody could tell me some more about this place. This place, you know, we have to just walk and let you people see. You know. I don't guess none of my viewers and subscribers usually work here. I don't know. As Mr. talk to me now in the comment section. This is where the original junction box. And that tree bust the wall, there's a tree there, that bust the wall, big tree. So I just check St. Thomas in our viewers. St. Thomas did have a lot of factory. St. Thomas never did so dusty back in then, you know. So why did St. Thomas take such a great dip and gone to the Forbidden Parish, my viewers? If St. Thomas did have so many factory and so many things right here that could employ people, why did it take that sudden dip? Which year did St. Thomas take that sudden dip or that sudden turn to become the Forgotten Parish? My viewers, anybody inside here? Talk to me down in the comment section. Which year you would have put it so St. Thomas take the turn to become the Forgotten Parish? Because when you check out St. Thomas, there's a lot of factory used to run here. With the great Goodyear, the great Goodyear. You understand me I say? And many more. You see a brush factory in Lyson. You see a factory out in garment factory out in Yalas and all in place. A lot of factory. Surge Island, the sugar, the this, the that, you get me I say? So where is St. Thomas take that turn and become the Forgotten Parish? Why? And how comes? Which one of the mismanagement? Somebody talk to me now. So that St. Thomas have to start all over again. Yeah, have to start all over again.
Yeah, she's the one beside him. You don't have to take your time to pick it up. You know.
Yeah, man.
You don't even know if you have people in this place, it's true. As much as me. Lisa and the machete. Yeah. The Amazon sword.
So them what is could have be father? It look like a way the banana them would have wash.
Yeah, either for wastewater
or wastewater.
Or them condiments to come wash it.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, no, but I know say the people
I guess no, now we not sure.
From the side here. You know, when we put out this, you know, my mother I will come in and tell what happened on the other side here.
If she, you know how much,
you should love commenting on my stuff, but she doesn't have a phone call.
Mono mind if she could have.
Give a little history.
Yeah, honestly.
Well,
About it.
She still up on the car. Because she said she don't talk to somebody. But we know she can't get history with it because she used to work. She's going to get work. Alright, so what they say is have a whole heap of cane.
Cane?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it.
Cane is over right now. Crazy. No, we have a spider, no, not a spider man. We have Anansi man. We have Anansi.